Good morning, guys. I am in new homes like furnace carrier, and all thermostats is on with zones like this, and dampers is on, but the system is not on. I have to find out what's going on. The gas is on to make sure I'm in flashlight. One, two, one, two, three. Says two, one, two. Okay, one, two, three. Make sure what LED light here is. One, two. One, two, three. Miss 23. 23 says PC start close. PC start close. Okay. Start close. Where's the powers? To put in R and W. The front use code. I have to use this application because this board continue as guest. I have to use continue as guest, and then it says equipment. Okay, and then it says furnace, and then diagnostic. Continue. Ensure the furnace part is off. Okay, should be off. Okay, continue. Stock main pressure switch. That's why I have to follow all this. It says stock main pressure switch, faulty switch main pressure, and then I have to clear all these codes. Like there. Disconnecting in. Success. Okay. Opening on this, clear. And then success. That's why you have to use smart everything. Okay. I have to move this one. Everything is on. To circle air first. No, you still have to get to set it first, and then I have to check what's going on with dampers. What filter is new? This side, it should be this way. You know, that side, it should be always this side. It's not this side. You know, I have to put it like this. Now system is going to turn. For has surface igniter to turn on. Yeah, I can hear it. And then pressure switch is going to close, and then gas valve, and then flame sensor. Yep. Steering on. All dampers now is on. Before the zone is on, but system is not turning on. That's why I like to troubleshoot in dampers too, to make sure where this one goes. To push this button to make sure if dampers open and close, like this. I'm pushing this button from here. You can see dampers how it looks. When they get red light, it means it's good. And the another one. What is it? can see it from the other side in the back. Yeah, until it's closed. That's why I have to diagnostic dampers. And then I have to make this. Sometimes you have to check them and depth switch over here for gas furnace. Should be 1, 2, 3. And then others it should be off. Except only 3. If it is a heat pump, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on, and 3 off and 1 on in the top. That's what it should be. So far so good. As long as dampers is working, everything is on. Why you have to diagnose it from the over here, this board, from your for your phone. That's why you have to use that apps to make sure understand apps. Let's see what we do. So I have to stick which one. Thank you for watching, and I hope we'll see you soon. And please subscribe and share with friends and family. I will appreciate that very much.